Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to bring up your Google security code. To do that, open your Google app, click on your profile at the top right corner, click on manage your Google account, swipe to the security tab, scroll down and click on security code. It's going to ask you for an authentication. It might be your fingerprint or your face ID or your PIN. And now you can see your Google security codes. This code will expire in 15 minutes once you use it. So that's how you bring up your Google security code. That's all for this video. See you guys in the next one.